Hello, evening, Nam. Oh, Jang. It is Jang, not Nam. Good evening, Jang. Good evening, and Nam and Jang. Okay, I see both of you right now. Good evening, and welcome again to our class. How are you today, Nam and Jang? How are you today? Are you okay? You're fine. Very good. How about your bandage here? Is it okay now? Oh, it disappeared. You don't have a bandage here now, Jang. Is it okay now? How about you, Nam? Do you both have already eaten your dinner? Yes. What do you eat or what did you eat for dinner?
Um,
What did you eat for dinner?
I eat chicken.
Oh, wow. I eat chicken also. Chicken and rice. That's my
Yeah.
food for dinner. How about Jang? What did you eat for dinner? Did you also eat?
Pork, pork, and
What did you
pork
eat?
and meat. Pork,
Milk?
pork and meat.
Pork and milk?
No,
Corn and meat? Is that correct? Corn and meat? Is that correct? Or rice and meat? What did you eat? It's,
okay, boy. Alright.
huh? What is it? Okay. So are you both ready to continue our lesson for today? After after we finish this lesson, so we will again play or continue bamboozle or the bamboozle that we have played last time. So are you both ready? Are you both ready? Ready? Oh no, no one's answering. I cannot hear you.
Yes, pork and meat.
What? Corn and milk?
No,
No. What is it?
in the jar.
Oh, in the chat. Oh, corn and meat. I'm correct. It's corn and meat. Okay, so very good. So good job that you have already eaten your dinner. So now, let's apply what you have learned last Tuesday to sentences. Let's go with this first one. Okay, what can you see on the roof or on the house roof?
I see the snow on the house roof.
Very good. I can see snow on the house roof. Good job. Next, how about this one? What is mother or what is mother and daughter
Mother
building?
and daughter doing are building a snowman.
Very good. Very good, Nam and Jang. Snowman. What is the color of the scarf and the hat
Blue,
of the
blue
snowman?
and blue.
It's blue. Very good. If you build a snowman, what color would you like for your snowman if you build?
I like blue and green
Blue and green. How about Nam?
and yellow.
Blue and green and yellow. How about Nam?
Brown and red.
Blue and gray?
Brown and red.
Ah, brown and gray. So you want your snowman to
No,
be
brown and red.
brown and red. Okay, it's brown and red. So you want your snowman to be brown and red. Okay, so next. How about this one? What is the
The
girl?
girl wearing a pink coat.
Okay, let's include this one. The girl is
Wearing a pink coat.
coat. Very good. This is a coat. How about this one? Okay, let me ask you a question first. What color is your coat or jacket?
The coat is pink.
Yours. How about yours? What color is your jacket or coat?
It's blue. My coat is blue and black. Not blue and gray. It's gray. Blue and gray.
How about Jang? I have. What do you have, Jang?
I have blue coat.
You have blue coat?
What?
Oh,
Blue coat and one coat is black.
oh, blue and white coat?
No, it's black.
Oh, blue and black. Is that correct? Okay, so very good. Thank you so much for sharing what you have. So next, okay, what is the girl wearing? She is
She's skating with ice skate.
very good. Ice skate with S or without S? Ice skates or ice skate?
Ice skate. Ice skate.
Very good. Because we
Have two ice skate
very
and one
good.
is no S and two is one S.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next. How about
They
this one?
use fire to keep warm.
Okay, very good. So they use fire to keep warm. Next. The snowman.
Snowman is white and red.
What? The snowman's?
Snowman is white and red. Turn.
What is this? What do we call this?
Mitten.
Okay, very good. The snowman's mittens. Now, one more time, let's say mittens. Mittens. Okay, very good. So it's mittens, not gloves. Next. Okay. So let's have some question about winter. Have you ever seen a snow? Yes or no?
No, I see Zibity.
What do you see?
I see Zibity.
What is that?
Not Zibity.
Is that connected with our lesson? No. How about snow? You don't? No. Have you ever seen a snow?
Yes.
Ah, have you seen a snow, Jack, before? Wow. Where did you saw a snow?
Um. Teacher.
Oh, yes.
Teacher, can you see a snow?
Oh no, I haven't seen a snow yet. But I want to uh see a snow in the future.
Teacher. It is
What
not
is it?
in the Vietnam.
Yes, it is not in the Vietnam. How about this one? What is this?
It is a creek.
It is a tree. Yes, very good. It says tree. But how about these things that are on the tree? What do we call them?
Oh,
Icicles. Very good. So these are ice or icicles. Very good. One more time. Let's say icicles.
icicles.
Okay, very good. How do you read this, Jack?
Icicle.
Very good. Good job. Okay, so next. Next, let's have snow and ice. Oh, I can see the other one. Let me just edit this one. Oh, okay. So let's
My draw. My draw.
my draw. What
Yes.
will you draw? Later we will draw after the lesson so that you will be able to listen. Okay. So now let's go with snow. So this is the snow and this is the ice. Let's match some words about these two. So soft and dry. Is it snow? or ice? Soft and dry. Is it snow or ice?
Dry. It's dry.
Yes, soft and dry. Is it snow or ice? Snow or ice?
Super. Dry. Soft. Soft.
Wait, okay, wait. So we have here ice. This one is an ice. Okay? This one is a snow. So when you touch a snow or an ice, where is or which is soft and dry? Which is soft? Which is soft and dry? Snow or ice? Which
Soft.
snow or ice?
Soft.
Huh?
And
If you touch,
dry.
wait, if you touch a snow or an ice, oh, for example, this one,
Soft.
snow. If we
Dry. Dry. Dry.
wait, it is not our choices. Our choices is snow and ice. This one is
No.
ice. This one is snow. So if you touch a snow, is it soft and dry? If you touch a snow, is it soft and dry? Yes or no?
No.
No, are you sure? Snow
No.
is not soft.
Yes.
Snow is soft when we touch a snow, so its texture is soft. When we say soft, like teddy bear. When we touch a teddy bear, it is soft. So that is how what we feel or what we can feel if we touch snow. That is why for soft and dry, so it is for snow. How about hard and wet? Hard, hard and wet. Okay, let's
Right.
ice. Very good. Hard and wet is ice. So when we say soft, it is floppy, fluffy to touch. For dry, so when we say dry, it is not wet. For hard, if you touch something hard, so it is like uh what do you call that? When we say hard, so when we touch something, so it is very hard. Okay? So hard is something solid, like the ice. When we touch an ice, it's hard and it is also wet because ice is made from water. So it is created from water. Okay, next. This one. Under 0 degree. So which is under 0 degree? Is it ice or water? Ice water. Ice or snow? Which is under 0 degree? Snow or ice? Ice, are you sure?
No.
It is snow. Very good. So when we say under 0 degree, it is snow. On the other hand, 0 degree, exactly 0 degree is
No.
ice. Snow is under 0 degree. Or snow when we say under 0 degree, so snow happens below or when the air is below 0 degree. What? What star? Okay, so when we say under 0 degree, so snow happens when the air is below 0 degree Celsius. However, as an ice is water that has frozen at 0 degree. So it is exactly 0 degree.
Ice in the has Rosie at
0.
minus
Hmm?
2.
No, it cannot be 2 because it is not ice. It will melt if it is 0 or 2 degree. So next, everywhere with water. Is it ice or snow?
No.
Snow everywhere with water? Snow is falling. What is falling from the sky? What is falling from the snow?
Ice.
Very.
Ice.
Huh? It's not an ice. It's not ice.
No.
Snow is the one who is falling from the sky. So for ice, it is everywhere with water because ice builds up from the water. Okay? Okay, next. Let's have this one. Ice skates and shoes. Okay. What is the difference between ice skates and shoes? Namkan and Jangmin.
It has ice skates can skate, but shoes can
Ice skates can skate. Very good. But shoes can? What can the shoes do?
shoes can walk.
Very good. Shoes can walk or shoes are for walking. So very good. Ice skates can skate, especially on ice because it have blades. But shoes are only for walking. Very good. So good job. So next. Okay. Where does the sled run? Where does the sled run? The sled
Let's
runs
run in the winter.
in the winter. Very good. In the winter.
In
And
the
where does it run? It runs
snow.
in a
It run in
snow.
the snow.
In or it runs on snow, especially on downhills. Okay? So this is okay. So let's have another question. I think a car can run on the snow too. Is this correct? Do cars can run on the snow? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hmm? Yes, very good. Yes, cars can go on snow. But it can be slippery. So it is dangerous to have a car run on the snow because it's dangerous. It's slippery. Okay, so next. Okay, Nam and Jang, what is this?
Is a snow Superman.
Snow Superman. Very good. What 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 is a snowman made of?
Snowman.
Snowman
Made of carrots. Carrots has snow.
of
No, of snow.
snow.
Branch. No, branch. Carrot. Branch. Teacher, branch.
Wait.
Scarf. Tree.
Carrot.
And carrot. Of cross. Of cross. Of cross.
What? What is that?
In a Minecraft.
Minecraft?
I can. Teacher, I can. No.
Huh?
I can draw now.
You cannot draw. Later, we will not draw because you are not listening if we are drawing. Okay. Very good. The name of this snowman. The name is of this snowman is Olaf. Very good that
Oh,
you have already watched Frozen. Next, let's have another question. Can we wear these items in summer?
now is when
No.
in the winter.
Very good. No, it is for
Winter.
winter. Good job. How about Nam? Can we wear these items in summer? Yes or no? Can we wear? Can, can we wear mittens or
Yes,
jacket in summer?
yes.
In summer?
No, no.
Okay, very good. Where or when can we wear?
Peter, the
Yes.
the snowman make a button.
What? The snowman
The snowman make a button too.
make a?
Button.
What is that? Can you spell? Can you spell in the chat?
Okay.
Button? Okay. Okay, so very good. So we can wear this or we cannot wear these items in summer because it is very hot. A button, very good. There is also buttons on the snowman because it is used for its eyes and its lips. Very good. So next, why do we need to wear jackets and mittens in winter?
Because it's cold in winter.
Very
We
good.
we um we use we
We, what do we use?
no.
Okay, very good. So because it's cold in winter, so we need mittens and
We need to wear
jackets or
we
coats.
need to wear coats to warm.
Very good. Coats to warm. Very good, Jang. It is cold. So we need to wear coats to warm or to be warm, to warm ourselves. Very good. So good job. Okay, so next. Okay, so you have answered this one. Can you name other clothes for winter? Can you name other clothes for winter? What are the other clothes that we can wear in the winter?
A jacket.
Jacket, very good. Aside from jacket, what can we wear in our head? It's a hat. We
Huh?
can wear hat. Very good. Good job. So there are a lot of clothes that we can wear in winter. We can also wear a scarf like this snowman. He wears scarf. Next, again, moon and Nam and Chang. What is this?
It is a fire camping.
Far, far what? Far.
Camping.
Okay, very good. It's a fire. So, do we use this for cooking? Is it for
Yes,
cooking? Yes. Are
yes,
you sure this is for cooking?
yes,
No,
yes.
we cannot cook in a fireplace. That's why it's a no. No, we cannot cook in a fireplace.
I can cook in the sun.
Oh yes, oh yes, we can cook in the sun, especially when it is very hot. We can cook eggs in the sun.
We can cook. We can.
Have
We
you
can.
tried
In the kitchen.
It is can cook corn.
corn?
No, corn.
Popcorn, yes. Have you tried cooking in the sun?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. That's good job. Okay, is there a fire inside your house?
I see. I see two nam cake.
Yes, I think it's his brother. Is that your brother? Why is your brother there? Okay, so next. Okay, we're close to finishing. We can play bamboozle after. Okay, can you tell teacher some typical things of winter? Or can you tell teacher what are those things that you can see in winter? We can see. What can we see in the winter? We can
We
see
can see the snow.
snow. Very good. Are there other things that we can see in the snow or in the
The
winter?
I see Christmas tree.
Small tree, very good. Or a
I
Christmas
see
tree.
I
What can you see?
Dia, dia boneka.
I can
I can
see
see a sky. I
sky.
can see
We can see sky even though it's not winter. What can you see, Jang?
the winter dawn of sky.
Okay, wait.
I can see Tom talking.
Tom talking?
Yes,
Talking Tom?
yes.
You are playing talking Tom?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so next. Which month does winter begin?
Um, um,
Which month?
March.
Huh? March?
Yes.
No. Winter doesn't start in March or on March.
What?
Winter starts on December. Winter starts on December. Remember that because we can feel winter, especially in Christmas. So it is December.
December.
Very good. How long does it last? So it's from December. Yes,
December.
very good. Very good. It's from December to March. So that is winter. Oh, we have another question. What do you like doing in winter?
I could tell that.
Brain rot?
No, I, I, I have my birthday in
Oh,
the
oh,
in the
December?
in the December
What?
December
Oh, what day? December what?
December Friday
December
Christmas.
Friday. Oh,
Tita, can you see a Santa Claus in
wha-
Christmas?
no, there is no Santa Claus in our country. Uh, what did you say? When is your birthday, Jang? December?
No.
Ah,
I can.
is your birthday not is your birthday not December? Okay. So now let's answer these pictures. So I will open your pens now. Okay. Can you circle among these pictures? Where is winter? Circle, circle.
Tita.
You have your pens now.
Okay.
I opened your pens. Where is winter? Can you circle winter? Circle winter. Where among these pictures? Okay, good job. That is. How about Chang? Okay, very good, Nam. This is winter, spring.
I can.
Oh, you can? I opened it. Nam can. Okay, let me try to open it again. Can you try it?
Yeah.
Go answer it and I will check your answers.
Right?
Okay, wait. I think Nam is still answering. Okay. Tell teacher if you're finished, okay? Finish?
Yes.
How about Jang? Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, so let's check your answers.
Teacher, why Batang don't have camera?
I don't know. It's okay.
Teacher,
I cannot.
my birthday sister
Oh,
is in
December
the
8th.
no.
Your birthday is December 8th?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Wow. Advance happy birthday, even though it's still early.
Teacher, my
Yes.
birthday is
When is
July.
Oh,
No,
July. Oh, what? What month? What month?
July.
July what? July? July 1? July 1st?
No, July 4.
Ah, July 4. So it is Saturday. And Jang's
Teacher, no,
yes.
it's
Oh,
Sunday. It's Sunday.
July 1st? Ah, no. Oh, yes. Huh? July 1st is Wednesday.
Teacher, my class, my birthday is January 4.
Oh, January 4. How about
Teacher,
Jang?
Sunday.
Yes.
Sunday. My
My?
school has 2,000 students.
Wow, that's a lot. Is Nam your classmate at
My
your school? Is
my
Nam
school is Timor.
your school is?
Timor.
What is that is the name of your school?
My class is 1A4.
Oh, 104. Wow. Thanks for sharing that. Okay. So now let's check your answers. Let's go first with winter. Okay. So very good. This is winter. Good job. Next, spring. So this are winter. So as we can see, there are snow on the tree and also snowman. So very good. Next, spring. Spring. Okay, very good. So good job. So when we say spring, this is where flowers and plants bloom. So very good. This is spring.
Muốn ăn nữa không?
Next is autumn or fall. When we say autumn, it is fall. So, oh, why did you deleted your answer, Jang? Okay, so very good, Nam. So, this is fall.
Tháng tuổi.
You, when we say fall, it is when the leaves on the trees change. What?
Can you speak Vietnamese?
No, I cannot speak Vietnamese. Why did you ask?
Because I want to speak Vietnamese.
No, we are not in Vietnamese class. We are in an English class. So we shouldn't talk in Vietnamese. Next is summer. So very good. So good job. So very good for all of your answers because they are correct.
Teacher, what is it?
What is that? Is that a clay or an eraser?
It's not an eraser.
Oh, what is that?
You. Pencil.
A pencil?
Teacher, I have an idea. No.
What idea? No, we will not. What is that?
I don't know. I can speak Vietnamese,
Okay.
but I can't speak English.
Oh, you can speak English. Okay, so next, let's
Yeah.
ha- let's have the phonic or W. So which of these pictures starts with W or begins with the letter W? Can you circle all of the pictures? Go, 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 go. And you can also write W if it starts with letter W. Okay, very good. Go answer first and we will check your answers. Huh? Are you sure this is letter S? Is this a sea lion? No, it is not a sea lion. Okay, let's check your answers later. Okay, are you done? Are you both done?
Teacher, S, not S.
Where?
This,
Where?
this, in the web.
A web. Very good. It's not S. Okay, let's check your answers first. This one. Let's take a look with the first one. What is this?
Watermelon. Watermelon.
Very good. Watermelon. It starts with
About
letter boat. Very good.
a window.
Window. This?
Shark. Shark.
How about this?
Lion.
No, it's not a sea
Lion.
lion. It's
Sea
not a
lion.
it's not a sea lion. We call it as
Worm.
walrus. Walrus because walrus has sharp fangs. Let's so sea lions doesn't have a sharp fangs. Okay, so this is a walrus. Next. How about this one?
Oh,
What is this?
it's a pumpkin.
Very good. Next is
It's a web.
it's a web. Very good. I think uh Nam answered spider. It's a web. Okay, this one.
Super zebra.
Super zebra. And this one is this.
Which in the Minecraft?
Which in the micro? Which or what is he holding? What is he holding? What do we call that? Magic?
Magic stick.
Very good. Magic stick. It is we call wand. Wand. Okay, magic wand. Okay. Okay, now let's now play bamboozle. Let me just open. Okay, let me just open.
Pizza, I want to roll.
We will play now. Don't you want to play bamboozle? Hmm, what do we? Winter words. Oh, okay, this one.
Teacher,
Yes,
let's
bamboozle,
let
bamboozle. What?
let go moment, Lia. No.
Huh? What did you say? Okay, let's start the game. Oh, let's have a spin the wheel for the team 1 and team 2.
Teacher, I will spin the wheel.
Okay, spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel.
Yes. For team 1 and team 2. How to customize? Customize.
I can see the spin.
Huh? Oh, you cannot see. Okay. Wait.
I will spin.
This one we will spin. Okay.
I will.
Oh, it's slow. Oh.
No! No!
Okay, I think Jang will be team 1.
Yay! Next, team one.
Okay, next you will team 1.
Yay! I'm team one.
Okay, class.
My
Okay.
my
Class
my
is
what? Number what?
Quiz.
Quizzing. Okay. Then I will question. Class.
Let's say classic junior, not classger. Classic junior.
No, class.
Oh, is it classic? Oh, I think it's classic junior.
Classic journal.
Oh, classic junior. Okay. Okay, so let's have 24. Classic junior. Classic junior, not classger. One more time, let's say classic junior.
Oh my God.
What's the name of your team?
Team Sudan. Sudan.
How-
No, Team Baton.
What is the name of your team, Jack?
Team. No.
6-7?
No. Team Roblox. Team Roblox.
Yes.
My team. Teacher, no. My team is team. My team is team Neymar.
Neymar? This one? Is this correct?
No, team Mbappe.
Huh? Peppa Pig?
Mbappe.
Can you... Okay, chat. Faster, we only have 20 minutes.
We have 80 minutes.
Yes, MPAP. What is that? Okay, let's go. Team Roblox and Team MPAP. Choose a number. Team Roblox. What number? What? What number, Jang?
Number 3. Number 3.
Number 3. Okay.
The fire keeping my home warm.
Okay, very good. Let's check. Do you want to check your answer?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No. Fire place.
Okay. Do you want to check your answer now?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. So the fireplace. 24?
Yes.
Okay. Read the sentence.
The children built a snowman.
Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, very good. Snowman.
Number
Next.
11.
11? Okay. What is this?
Earmuff. Earmuff. Teacher, earmuff. 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 Earmuff.
No,
Earmuff. Show me.
no.
Earmuff.
What will I show? There's no options.
Earmuff. Earmuff. I don't know.
You don't know? This will be oops. Oops now. Are you sure? You want to oops?
Earmuff. No.
Oh, what is the answer?
Earmuff.
Shh, no talking. What is the answer? What's the answer? No, Nam. Shh, Nam. Shh. What's the answer? Oh, you don't know?
Teacher, I don't know.
We will oops now?
No.
We have this last time. You don't remember?
Yes.
Nam remember it. It's earmuffs. You're not listening to... Yes, oops. You're not listening to Nam. Nam is giving you the answer. Number 4. Oh no.
Oh my God! Wow! Number 16.
16?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next. Next number. Team MPAP,
Number 10.
number 10. Okay. It's been snowing. Read the sentence.
It's been snowing. So you better wear your ice skates.
Is this an ice skates?
No.
What is
Teacher.
this? Yes.
What?
Are you
Shoes.
are you sure? Final answer? I will not teach any one of you, right? Final answer?
I don't know. Oops.
Oops now.
What is that? No.
Uh,
Up.
what is
Oops.
this?
Oops. Oops.
Oops. We will check the answer now.
Yes.
Okay, so this is boots. You know this one. So
No.
this is
Oops.
yes, this one is oops. Let me just explain first. So this is not an ice skates because it doesn't have a blade. And it is also not a shoes. Okay, so oops.
Oops. Number 9.
Number 9. It's okay. What is this? Read the sentence.
The penguin lives in the South Pole.
Huh? Let's read it one more time. South Pole. South Pole.
Pole.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's check the answer.
Yes.
Okay, good job. This is a penguin. That's so
Number
easy,
5.
huh? Number 5. Wow.
Number 6. Number
Number
6, 7.
number 6 or 7?
6, 7. 6,
Huh?
6. No, 7,
6.
7.
No,
7.
6. I wear
Wearing my scarf around my neck.
neck. Let's say neck.
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 Okay, let's check your answer if it's correct.
Scarf. Scarf.
Okay, very good. Scarf. Next, Nam.
12.
12. This one?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what is this? This is a beautiful. What do we call this one?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
We have this last time.
In the sea. Start in the sea.
What?
Sea. Start in the sea.
Start in a C? No, it's not. It's not. It doesn't start with C. It's not a cookie. What is this?
It start of S.
Yes, it starts with S. Yes. Nam's answer is somehow correct, but there is a missing word. Go. You can guess. You know this one. I know you know this one. No counting.
No.
I know you know this one. You
No.
answered. You don't know? You answered this in our last bamboozle.
No.
Snow what?
No place.
Final answer? Final answer? Very
Snowflake.
good. Snowflake. Good job.
Oops.
No, it's okay. He said it. He said snowflakes.
18. I want 18.
18. Okay. Okay, what? Read the sentence.
His sled down the hill.
Okay, let's check your answer.
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. Sled. This is a sled. Next.
Number 17.
17.
Oh, 2. He bought a pair of
There is a 2 correct answer with this one. There is 2 correct answer. Okay, let's check. There is, okay, remember there is 2 correct answer in this one.
It's mitten.
Okay, let's check. Okay, it's also correct. Mittens is also correct because this is what we had learned, mittens instead of gloves. So mittens is correct.
Number 23.
23. Wow,
Yeah!
wow, so lucky. Okay,
Number
next.
2.
Number 2. We had learned this one. We had this one earlier. What is the name of this? Jang said the name of this one. Do you
I,
remember, Nam? Shh.
the, I,
No. What is this, Nam? No, no coaching, no coaching.
okay.
You know this, Nam. I know you know this. You said this earlier.
First is letter S.
No. Jang said the a word, but it is there is a missing in his word earlier. You don't remember this one? Uh,
Ice,
there is missing word.
ice plate.
Do
No,
we learn that one? You know this. I know you know this. I cannot teach you because it's unfair. You know this. Ice. Ice what? Ice. Jang said this one earlier in the snow and ice. 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 Do you want to check the answer? And oops.
ice no.
No, it's not ice snow. Do you want to
Mm,
oops now?
yes.
Okay, let's check. What is this? You know
Mm,
this. Icicle. Now remember, if you see ice hanging, we call them as icicles. Okay? So remember. So next. Okay, you still did a good job. Next, Jack. Where is Jang? Jang?
number 22.
22. Okay, what
This
is this?
hand is on the skate.
Huh?
On
Final.
the
Are you sure with your answers or
no.
answer? Let's check.
Um, leg, leg.
Shh. No, no. No
It's
coaching. What?
it's leg.
Are
Leg.
you sure? Final answer? Let us check.
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Is this a sled?
No, it's no.
No, it is snowboard because a sled has a blades like ice skates. However, this is a snowboard. Snowboard only looks like a skateboard, but we can use it in the winter. So it's oops. Next,
Number 1.
number 1. It is read. It
No, it is
is
no.
okay. What shall we add if it's happening right now?
It's no.
What shall we add?
This
What shall we add when it is happening right now? For example, for example, what are the words? Let me just check. Ing word. For example,
no.
I am
No.
smiling.
Oh, we it may it it many
No,
snow
No, if it's happening right now, I am smiling. Smile. Smiling.
Happy. No.
Connect it to this one.
No. No.
Snow only. Shall we check?
No.
Snow only? That's your final answer? Your answer is somehow correct, but there is a
It's
missing
not
word.
snowflake.
No, there's a missing word. So do you want to check? We use this word if something is happening right now. Do you want to check?
It's a what the first
This is an example. Smile, smiling. What is the word that is added in this smile? Okay, you want to check your answer now? If it's correct? Okay, you don't remember, huh? I taught you this last lesson. You want to check now?
yes.
Okay, it's snowing. So like my example, smile, smiling. We add ing when something is happening right now. We add ing in the original word.
I know now.
Yes, for example, biking. Okay, so remember this. Remember this, okay? Next. So we only have 3 minutes.
14.
Okay,
Will keep my feet warm.
are you sure that that's the answer? Okay, let's check. Okay, good job. This is socks. Next, number 8. Wow, so lucky.
Number 15.
Number?
Because I am a lucky boy.
Lucky boy. Number 15?
Number 15.
Okay.
It's very cold in the winter.
Okay, good job. Let's check. Let's check your answer.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Cold.
Number
Number
7.
7. What do we call this? Do you want a clue? Starts with letter B.
Teacher.
Oh, yes.
Yes. It
What?
has 2 minutes left.
Yes, we only have 2 minutes left. This is starts with letter B, Nam. B.
This is equal 120 seconds.
120 seconds. It's B.
Pizza.
Do you want to
I want to check.
do you want to check? Okay, so we call this kind of hat beanie.
No, oops.
Yes, it's beanie. It's okay. It's okay. So
Number
we learn.
21. Number 21.
Mm. Okay, what is this?
These are Christmas tree.
Are you sure?
No. Teacher, start with letter.
Starts with letter E.
Eating.
Eating trees. What?
It's standing.
I think you don't know this word. No, it's
I want
already
check.
9 p.m. Check. You want to check? Okay, we call this evergreen trees. We can mostly see them in the winter. Okay, so oops. Okay, so 13. Let's finish this one. She is wearing.
She's wearing a red mitten.
Okay, very good. Next, Jang.
Number 20.
Oh no.
Point.
Okay, Nam. She likes.
He like to let down mountain.
No, this is not a sled. We learned this last time. What is this?
3. Start with letter.
Starts with letter S also. S. You don't remember? S. S. This one. I remember I showed you. I showed you both. What is this? What is this? Oh no. Starts with letter S. You want to check? We don't have time. You want to check the answer? It's okay, Nam. You can still or we can still play a game next time in our class, okay? You want to check the answer now?
Yes, I will check.
Okay, this is ski.
Ski.
We know this last time, ski.
No. Oops. I win.
It's
I win. I win.
okay. It's okay, Nam. Okay, it's only a game, okay? Yeah. It's okay. Good job. Good job to the
Teacher.
both of you. Bye bye. It's only a game, okay? No one will get angry. Bye bye.